Hi, I'm your friends,
And we'll see today how to add and animate the mask effect in Filmora. Okay, this is our project and we have two images, the first one and the second. Let's put both of them into timeline. Okay, now we can see only this one, which is on lane number 2. So let's go to our image, which is on the top, and I clicked on it, and when I go to image, I choose mask, and there are already a few possibilities of mask, whether it be circle or heart or rectangle, but I'm choosing to draw my own mask. I did right click on it and I will add points to cut out picture. Okay, now automatically the datas we chosen are accepted. Okay, but I have to move picture a little bit to the left. I cannot do it like this way because I will move my mask but not the picture, so Ctrl Z, and I have to choose my picture and then to move and change the size. Okay, now it's okay, but I can see those red spaces that I don't need them. Okay, let's go to this, our picture. Let's go to tools. Let's go to video and choose chroma key. And I will remove this red color. Now let me see what happened. I think it's better. And now mask effect is already done, but I would like to animate it. So I'm going to mask and going to the very beginning of our movie. For example, I'm choosing frame here and I'm changing opacity to 0 and changing the time. Let's go to the very end of the movie and I will make opacity 100. Let's see now how it will works. So it's like picture appears on our screen. Okay, here I can see that the duration of two images is a little bit like different. Let us make them to be the same, everything to be very nice. So that's it. I think it's good. Created and animated our mask. I think it works. Thank you for staying with me and hope to see you soon. Bye!